In this video, we listed the 5 best camping chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ALPS King Kong Chairs. The ALPS Mountaineering King Kong is our favorite camping chair and one of 2 we deem the most comfortable. The King Kong has consistently been the first chair snagged whenever our test team gathers around a campfire. The slightly padded fabric makes it ideal for long lounging sessions, and the seat itself is exceptionally roomy, if a bit slouchy, with an incredibly stable frame. The listed weight capacity is 800 pounds, and as a result, the reinforced fabric is very durable. Testers appreciated all of the functional storage features, including 2 cup holders, 2 side pockets, and an additional small pocket behind the headrest. The setup of this chair is super simple and only takes a matter of seconds. All this comfort and added reinforcement come at a cost. With extra features come several extra pounds, making the King Kong one of the heaviest single-person chairs in our lineup. It also doesn't offer a headrest, so it's not the best pick for an afternoon snooze. Number 2. Kelty Low Love Chair. The Kelty Low Love seat amazes us with its incredibly comfortable 2-person design. This model was very stable, with a lower seating height than most traditional camping chairs. While the feet of our shorter testers rested comfortably on the ground, Kelty also makes a version that's several inches taller. Made of durable materials, this chair can stand up to the trials of seating multiple people and even dogs for extended periods. After 3 straight years of regular use and some severe sun exposure, it's fading a bit but is still as comfortable as the first day we got it. This chair has grown on our lead tester the longer she has owned it, a credit to its impressive longevity and comfort. Number 3. Helinox Chair 1 Chair. The Helinox Chair 1 is the lightest and most packable camping chair that we tested. The perforated polyester seat material helps lighten the load of the design as well as provide more comfort on hot summer days thanks to increased breathability. Our testing team found themselves reaching for this chair when space was limited, or we needed to be conscious of every ounce on a backcountry jaunt. Although this design doesn't offer the comfort of padded material or armrests, we're confident the durable design will make up for it in overall packability. Measuring 14 inches long and weighing only 2 pounds, the Chair 1 is the standard when it comes to lightweight and compact performance. Number 4. Kijaro Dual Lock Chairs. The Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Chair is the model you've been waiting for. The frame holds the seat and back fabric taut by locking it open to provide a firm foundation. A comfortably angled back panel promotes relaxation rather than rigidity. All this added support, combined with one of the tallest seat heights we tested, makes the Kijaro a natural standout for users who need a more stable base. And feel free to leave the annoying carry bag at home. This chair has an adjustable shoulder carry strap attached to the back of the frame. Once locked closed, it's easy to hoist it up and head out without carrying an additional storage bag. Number 5. Best Choice Recliner. The Best Choice Zero Gravity Canopy Recliner quickly became the most coveted chair amongst our testing team. The chair features a heavyweight design that features a sturdy and durable metal frame complete with an adjustable headrest and sunshade. The chair prioritizes comfort whether you're seated or reclining, thanks to a breathable textile that has a little flex ion thanks to the bungee cord attachments. The frame features additional rubber grips on the legs for stability and grip on uneven terrain. The zero-gravity chair is not the best choice for those seeking a highly portable or lightweight camping chair. Although the chair easily slides into a folded position, it weighs 21 pounds, the heaviest in the review, and requires more space than most other chairs in this review.